Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Looking at now that we have our event driven Ansible for service installed as a new media type, which is a webhook. So webhooks are basically used for sending alerts to external systems or notifications to external systems. So today we're looking at event driven Ansible. We want to understand what is event driven Ansible, the concepts, and then from here we can get to install it. So basically event driven Ansible is we have so Ansible is well known for playbooks. So with event driven Ansible, we have rules, we have conditions, and we have a lot just similar to Ansible and playbooks. But then for here, we're just basically listening for events and taking actions based on the events that the event driven Ansible server gets. Okay, so there's a need for this because it helps in automation. So basically, you can just integrate with it different systems, and based on events, that is the event driven Ansible controller or server will hear, it will send it will take actions based on that. Okay, so you can just go through here and then get to learn more about event driven Ansible and how it goes about. So I'm not going to go through everything, but I'm just going to create something very basic for you to understand how it really works. So in our next video, we're going to see how to install event driven Ansible on our Ansible controller or event driven Ansible controller server. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.